Der Wohlan so Moscheles. Zu schein. Weiter mal Wunsch. Auf Hunde Kluf. Die Lala Fuhr. Der Wohlan Schuss. Die Lala Fuhr. Der Wohlan Schuss. Und somit ein Immerse geben.
I will put up the song that I'm listening to. I know I'm speaking loud because of my headphones. Okay, let's go bath. I've eaten already, so I'm just gonna go bath, change. No, I can't bath now because, yeah, let me clean up here and then I'll go bath.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only been like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, baby. In the meantime, it's time for what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. In the mirror, I doubt myself. Don't need myself for my wealth. But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. I'm gone for a year, only been like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, do what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you.
I wanted to show you this. This smells so good. Can I tell you? Oh man, love this so much. So my skin has been acting out. It's been months now. So I have mask that I got myself. The other one is this one. I want to use this. It's niacinamide.
That you are loved. Even if you don't love yourself. That you are loved. Even if you don't love yourself.
Cut it open. Okay. Guys, with grapefruit, ne? This is how you eat it. Ne? You take out like, you only eat the insides part. You don't eat this. You don't eat anything. It's not an orange, this one, or else it will be sour on your mouth, inside your mouth, as you chew. Okay. This is, you're gonna just have to take this part out like this. Easy, like this, like that. This is the only thing you need to eat. Even this, you don't have to eat it. Oh, guys, my mouth is watering. It is so good. Guys, the only way to eat it is the messy way. You can't eat it any other way. Okay. But other people do eat these things. Those are the ones who are strong, who can eat a lemon in the broad daylight without oh my word. Thank you so much for hopping on. Thank you so much for taking a ride with me. Okay, this was short, I know, you know. So on that note, guys, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Please engage, please. Please help me reach 1,000 subscribers. We're still pushing that, okay? And then I promise I have another video for you guys, okay? I have another video for you guys. So guys, remember that in this channel we do a bit of, you know, entertainment. Okay, so I have a movie for you guys to watch. I think it came out the last month or this month. I don't know, between June and July when it came out, but I just saw it recently. I don't know if you guys like thriller, you know, that kind of vibe, but if you do, please watch The Strung. I'll put it there, okay? Put it somewhere here or here. It's The Strung. It is by who? Guys, please, I forgot her name, but she's is it that girl Mutua Benaboy, that means that one. Ena o utengi moving ew. And there's this woman that we love so much from Black Panther. I forgot her name. I forgot her name. The queen from Black Panther, guys, come on. Yeah, that's her. So it's nice. It's about let me give you it's about this girl who is a nanny at this rich household and things that unravel there. Oof. Okay, so please go watch it. Music that I'm listening to, oh my gosh. Okay, I'll tell you gospel. With gospel, I'm listening to Ukona by Yanga and this other guy. So man, it's been such a beautiful song for me. And then, you know, I know there's somebody's gonna watch this and laugh at me. Please, I know I have 2 left feet, okay? Please don't judge me. Get to judge. Don't come here to judge. Here we are having fun. Here it's joy ride. Only, okay? Please, no one who is a party pooper, no one is coming here to spoil the party. Nah, you know. This is my go-to move, by the way. Okay, and then I'm up here. This one is Ipupo. Guys, I shouldn't flash it too much. It's Ipupo by Kabza the Small. I'll also put it somewhere there. And then the other one that it's been a while since I've been listening to it, like over some years, but I came across it and it's still nice. It's Ngifuna Wena by, I feel like there's somebody coming. So it's Ngifuna Wena. I don't know by who, but I will also put it up here. All right. More Jamas. It's grand. So right. Hey, greetings to the siblings, greetings to the family, greetings to the friends. Okay, tell them I've got a channel and it's good and they should subscribe. Okay, everyone should be good in there. Bye. Okay.
If God truly restores, he's been asking me to go to home cell with him, and I've just been like, because we were not yet outside. Jerusalem,